I've worked really hard on this house for 8 years. Still working on it. Kitchen someday downstairs. Finally did something for myself. I think that sounds bad because obviously I live here. It's my house. And everything I've done is for me and my family, more importantly to me. But finally I just did something actually for myself. I've had a headache all day, but I just had to show you, and I just really want to play. This is very grand. This is 20 foot wide. You know, the very top of this right here is about 14 foot, technically. Sags down a little, but that's nice because it catches the wedges nice. And then I just have everything kind of just perfect. I've got a piece of PEX going through here that's kind of bendable, and it keeps it up and away from the barn. Same with that up here, a piece of PEX that's technically holding two of these amazing nets together. Then it comes down. This is another net that's another 12 foot. Clearly didn't need it. And I have another net too that I thought I was gonna need maybe over here for the shank, but I don't do that. Not to sound boastful, I suppose that sounded weird, but I don't do that. My kids might. So I might make a temporary net that can go up here, because a ricochet off that stone would be wild. But check this out. My hair probably looks crazy. I'll start off with something easy like a 6-iron. I am 12 foot from the very front of this net, 12 foot. Right here is probably another 2 foot in. That's important because when I get the launch monitor, it needs a good, it says 10 foot. I wanted to give it as much as possible. So I could probably hit from way back here pretty easily. I could probably actually hit from way back. Like you could probably hit way back in here pretty simply right there. So that's 15 feet from the edge of the net. Swing normal. I gotta choke down a little bit because of the mat. Oh, that's perfect. It even came back to me. It's like a ball return. So from 15 feet away, a 58-degree wedge, and it's perfect. That ball comes out with a lot of spin on it. Wow. That was awesome. That's perfect. I can't wait to get the launch monitor. Tee is gone. That tee is, oh, it's behind me. That was good. Even though it's tee down so low. I'm growing grass here very soon. Oh my God. It comes right back to you. It's amazing. I love everything about this. Yes, so outside of the nets, obviously this is gonna be all grass. I'm gonna actually grow green. I have a greens mower. I'm trying to learn a little bit about it. I've got to do some leveling here. We had some low spots. This is gonna be awesome. Can't even wait.